Gateway Fiber has been received by the community with open arms. I've been getting compliments even on the professionalism of the installers. We are an older property. I know I have been getting a lot of complaints from tenants that internet has been going down on a regular basis, which interrupts especially those who are working from home still. I thought it would be a nice opportunity to offer our tenants another option for internet, and they were offering free installation, so you can't beat that. As far as the install with Gateway Fiber, other than picking out locations for them to do the initial equipment setup, it's been all behind the scenes. The office has not been interrupted about anything other than an update on a daily basis as to where they would be going next. They have been doing their own notifications to the tenants. They have been doing their own service with the tenants. I think it's a great opportunity. It's the now, it's the future. Everything is going fiber optic. Being that it's been behind the scenes, I don't see it being any different, whether it be commercial, residential, or what have you. To any future Gateway Fiber customers, I would highly recommend the service and the staff that has been here for our install.